Hi, welcome to English Fluency TV, and I hope you are well. This will be the first video on this channel, and I am so excited to share this video with you, and I hope this will be the first of many to come in the future. This channel, English Fluency TV, is all about helping those who wants to improve their fluency in speaking and writing in English. Now, what is fluency? When I say speak fluent in English, what does that mean? Does it mean that you could speak like a native English speaker, or does it mean that you could speak without stopping in between every word? To me, fluency is all about speaking the language without stopping in between every word. That is fluency to me. Having an accent is normal. English is not your native language, so you are obviously going to have an accent. That's normal. But your aim is not to copy the native speaker to have an accent like them. You will always going to have an accent when you're speaking, but that will be your style and that will be your way of speaking. That will be your identity. So having an accent is normal. So when you learn to speak, you don't learn to copy the accent. You learn so that you could speak without stopping and you could pronounce the words clearly. So to me, that is fluency. So in this channel, I will be sharing my journey, how I've learned English and how I've learned how to write in English. Who am I? I'm a driving instructor by trade and an accountant. I also have another channel known as Driving TV, where I help learners learn to drive in the UK. I came to the UK at the age of 12 with almost zero English. I couldn't speak or I couldn't write. I only knew few words, the likes of B for bird, C for cat, D for dog, and few others. So I didn't know any English, how to speak, and I didn't know how to write. So in this channel, I will be sharing my journey, how I've learned how to speak and how I've learned how to write in English, hoping that it will help you how to do the same. Because if I could do it, you can do it. I'm not saying I don't have an accent. Like I said, your accent is your style. Your accent is the way you speak. That is your identity. Having an accent is normal. That's the beauty of the society, is the beauty of the culture. How we speak is part of the community. But living in the UK, your communication is the most important for you to do whatever you do. For you to succeed, what you do in life, your communication is important. And because we live in England, this is our home, the way we speak is important. So hopefully, I will share my journey, how I've learned English and how I've learned how to write English. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you stay with this channel for the future videos where I will share my journey, like I said, how I've learned how to speak and how to write. Thank you for watching this video, and I will show you a clip of writing so that you know what is coming in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now. Thank you for watching, and the aim of this channel is to help you with the fluency in speaking and writing in English. In the future videos, I will be sharing the foundation of the language so you understand the language, also how to practice to improve your fluency and how to pronounce the words clearly. So I will concentrate also on the pronunciation of the words in English. The writing that you see now I am doing, which is known as cursive writing, which has a style of writing. Hopefully in the future, I will teach how to do this kind of writing and the practice you can do to improve this kind of writing. So please do stay with the channel, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. Also, please do subscribe so you get to see it first when the next video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.